Welcome back to the channel. Dane Scott from Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge. It's a beautiful day here in northeastern Ohio, and it is Driver Appreciation Week. So we're going to take Grasshopper out to our heartfelt truck world, and we're going to enjoy some trucker appreciation.
Painted sky in a sunset scene, through the window of a GMC. White lines and lighted signs got me hypnotized. There's nothing like the feel of the road and the smell of the diesel smoke. Another 10 or 20 miles, I'll be pulling in this thing.
So let's get this show on the road, shall we?
13 years just laying it down, driving my GMC. Yeah, you know what I mean.
We're in Conneaut, Ohio, and we got to wait for that train. partake of a little bit of Driver Appreciation Week here at Truck World. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to have that.
Onions and peppers, or beer braised kraut for the gratin, sandwiches, cowboy beans,
Gotta have them. Those were awesome. I had them last year.
and macaroni salad.
So let's get this show on the road, shall we? Okay, real quick before we get back to all the festivities at Truck World and the ride home in Grasshopper, I need to let you know this coming week is the Guilt by Association Truck Show out at 4 States, Joplin, Missouri. And those dates are the 25th, 26th, and 27th. So I do believe that would be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, yep. Because I was planning on, as you guys know, being there this year. Unfortunately, I had a little health crisis come up, and I'm not allowed to go that far from home for a while yet. So I'm okay, so nobody worry. But, you know, you got to take care of yourself first and foremost. So I pray that I can make it next year. But it's going to be so cool. If you guys can make it to the show, there's going to be a lot of YouTubers there. They're going to have all the YouTubers together out front where I was supposed to be with them. But the truck show is huge. I mean, this is a national show.
September 27th, 2025, world's largest convoy for Special Olympics. We want to take record for the U.S. for quantity of trucks and help us get to the most money raised for the charity. Enter your truck on the app. Cost $100 to enter. You'll get the convoy downtown, or you can do it the days of the show right here in front of the store, September 27th. Well, let's just start off by saying all trucks are welcome. There will probably be 700, 800, maybe more trucks here. 3/4 of them are going to be everyday working show trucks that the owner is proud of. There will be a few show ponies here that are purely show trucks, and there will be a lot of really nice trucks, but everybody's welcome. When you hit exit 4, just head to Joplin 44 Petro. We're doing the registration over there.
And of course, you guys know 4 States, and they're one of my sponsors. And if you look below, please, if you need any parts, aftermarket goodies or whatever, I know 4 States has it for you. And if you would, hit the link down in the description below. And if you do that, I'll get credit for your sale, and you'll also get a discount. You get money off. Hey, that's a win-win situation. So that's the Guilt by Association Truck Show coming up this week, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, Joplin, Missouri. So let's get back to Truck World. Okay, boys and girls and boys, that's going to be a wrap on this episode. I hope you enjoyed going for a ride in Grasshopper. That's been a long time coming. That was a 2-year restoration. So at some point, I'm going to make a video from start to finish of the restoration process. But in the meantime, that'll wrap the episode. And as I always say, make sure you like the video. Please watch it all the way through and comment down below. And of course, subscribe to the channel. And in the meantime, I think you better keep the hammer down, safe and sound.